Let's open up the Riot client and click the profile icon on the right top corner. Go to settings. In this Valorant style, click Valorant and click repair. Wait for a couple of seconds. It will repairing your game files. If there is any issue, it will rectify it. Once the successfully repaired pop-up will appear after, come back, then search for run and type the following text services.msc. Click OK. The services settings will come. In this, scroll down, go to VGC, right click it, go to properties, click automatic. The startup type should be in automatic and the service status should be in running. Go to third method, go to settings, click app settings, installed app, scroll down and search for Riot Vanguard. Click the three dot icon in the right corner and uninstall it. Don't panic, it will only uninstall the Vanguard. Your account will be remain same. Once you entering the Riot client, it will asking you to download it. Is deleted, uninstalled successfully. After that, you need to go to run and type the following text tpm.msc. Click enter. Here you can see the status. The TPM is ready for use. The status should be like this. If it's not like this, means you need to boot it. The next step, you need to go to settings and go to Windows Update and update your Windows. So some of the updates comes under Windows Update. You need to up to date, and also pending items are available, means you need to download and install it. Once complete, after you need to close it and open up the Riot client. Then you will download it, the Vanguard, freshly and use it.